Engage with outside counsel to benefit from their expertise in resolving legal matters. By integrating legal matter management with LegalTracker, ServiceNow provides a single interface to track, view, and update matters related to outside legal counsel. You can use it to submit and approve requests to engage outside counsel, automatically create legal matter records in LegalTracker, and track spends. To access the features shown here, you'll need to install and configure the LegalTracker spoke, and configure legal matter management to engage with outside counsel using LegalTracker. Let's see how it works. First, the legal matter fulfiller reviews a legal matter and decides to engage with outside counsel. She initiates an outside counsel engagement request in legal matter management by selecting Add Outside Counsel for LegalTracker. On the form, she fills in the details for outside counsel engagement approval. She can opt to provide the LegalTracker details herself or create a task for the task fulfiller to complete them. She fills them in and submits the request for approval. The practice area lead receives and approves the request. And here's the approved request form. The workflow automation initiates an integration with LegalTracker and creates a matter in that application. This note with yellow background in the activity stream indicates that a matter was successfully created in LegalTracker. If a task was created earlier for the task fulfiller to complete the LegalTracker details, the task fulfiller would manually initiate the integration after providing the details. Any updates in the LegalTracker record are synced to the legal matter, resulting in an equivalent external matter record. The legal fulfiller or matter owner can access the matter using the LegalTracker matter link. Now, legal matter fulfillers can easily manage outside legal counsel engagements and track spends. The outside legal counsel can update the matter in LegalTracker, and all updates are synced back to the external matter in legal matter management. So you can both stay on top of budget, invoices, and other project details. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.